Hi guys, and welcome to another video. So in this video we're gonna start talking about how to read files using C#. So let's get started by doing what we previously did. So just to recap what you're gonna do. So basically we had a string called text with some text, and we wrote that to a file. So wrote to a file, okay? But in today's video, we're gonna do something that's different. We're gonna read a file. So we need to think about this. So we need to read a text. So we got a string and wrote that to a file. Now we're gonna get a file and get that to a string. So we need to create a string here, as you guys can see. And I wanna read a file and display that text. So to read a file, we're gonna come back to the first example. So I'm gonna read the content on the file one. So let's just use File.ReadAllText, which is similar to write_all_text, and we need to pass the file1.txt is the file that I'm in at, and let's print this into the console text. Okay, so if you guys remember in the first video of this series talking about this, we used the write_all_text to write to this file, and now we're gonna use read_all_text to read this file. So let's execute, and as you guys can see, we see this is a sentence, which is the text that we wrote in that video. Okay, so just pay attention to this can be very useful. It's a very simple trick to do this, but we eventually will need to work with something more scalable, if you will. So thank you guys for watching this video. See you guys next time.